Welcome to the Introduction to the WordPress Dashboard tutorial. Today, you'll learn how your WordPress dashboard works. The topics covered in this video will be 1. Dashboard 2. Posts 3. Media 4. Pages 5. Comments 6. Templates 7. Appearance 8. Users 9. Settings and 10. Custom fields. Topic 1. Dashboard. This page has a contact form to quickly send inquiries through. It will give you quick access to the tutorials and let you hire a WebD expert. The second menu item is Posts. Here, you can access your posts for your blogs from here. You can write new blog posts, and you can organize your categories and tags for your blog posts. Topic 3. Media. In Media, you have access to all media uploaded to your website. You can add new media and delete media from the media library. Topic 4. Pages. Here, you can list all pages on your website. You can add pages, edit pages, and delete them. Here you can access the Elementor editor for a page. Topic 5. Comments. If you have comments enabled on your blog posts, here is where you will be able to view them. Topic 6. Templates. This is where you can view any saved Elementor templates. You can access the Elementor editor for a template through here. You can also create new templates. Topic 7. Appearance. Here, you'll be able to edit your website's menu. You can change the items or add new items from the side here. Topic 8. Users. This menu will be different depending on what user role you are logged in as. As a site admin or manager, you'll be able to list users of your website. As a site admin or manager, you'll be able to add new users from here too. As any user role, you'll be able to edit your profile here too. You can also send a password reset from here. Topic 9. Settings. You can edit your website title, tagline, time zone, and date format from here. You can also edit your permalinks from here. This will change what the URL display name is. Topic 10. Custom fields. You can create and edit custom fields here for dynamic content that you have on your website. Please note that not all websites will use this, but the menu item is there if it is needed. That covers the dashboard tutorial. You've now been introduced to the WordPress dashboard.